Good afternoon and welcome to the Global Fashion Workshop channel. I remind you that we release videos 3 times a week. Today we have a special guest, Inga. Hello everybody, I'm glad to be in the studio today. We have a good news. Inga recovered and we're ready to show you all the reviews of ready-to-wear garments that we've collected. We'll start with a denim outfit. It so happened that we have a denim topic again. But it's not because we don't sew anything else. In fact, the denim topic is very relevant at all times. It's sunny here in Krasnodar. That's why, once again, we're wearing denim and would like to show you what we came up with this time. And this time we came up with a denim biker jacket, based on the biker jacket made of eco-leather course. We have an eco-leather one, but we made one of denim. Look how cool it is, fashionable, modern, and unusual. Turn around, Inga. Great jacket. Everything is in place as it's supposed to be. We added an A-line denim skirt to this denim biker jacket. This is the answer to those who say, of course the denim skirt looks great on Olga. What about those with curvier shapes? Look how cool the skirt is on Inga. An A-line skirt with patch pockets and a fly shield in front. I will show you the skirt in more detail on the table, so we won't undress Inga right now, she'll not going to like it. I'll show you. Look, what a cool, fashionable and modern outfit. The upside is that you can combine it. We can wear a denim skirt with any other voluminous sweater and trench coat. Also, the denim biker jacket can just be thrown over a cocktail dress, and it'll look modern, fashionable and appropriate in any situation. I'll go back to the denim jacket for a bit. Those who bought the coarse biker jacket know that the classic of such leather jacket is an asymmetric zipper. Look, here it has rivets all over. We kept everything. A jacket on princess lines with a yoke on shoulders. Classic. We have the shoulder seam, yoke on the front block, and a nice yoke on the back as well. Princess lines. Here we have pockets with zippers. Also, the obligatory elements on a biker jacket is a zipper on the sleeve. I just saw it. So now you know that it's there. You can make it more fit in silhouette, but you can also open it so that the sleeves are more, so that you swing the sleeve and then there's a white swan coming out from there as in Russian folk tales. Such a great biker jacket. Turn around, Inga. Everything is stitched with denim thread. Look here, we closed the zipper, rolled up the sleeves a bit, and Inga has a completely different look, although it's the same jacket, same t-shirt and the same skirt. Today I'm also wearing my sundress, and I would like to tell you a bit about the fabric. Inga is a navy blue and I'm in black. There is also black denim as well. Here I'd like to show you a small collection of blue fabric that will be good for these models. I'll let Inga take the floor now and she can share her thoughts on the outfit. I'm so happy to be in the studio today. It was nice to wear this denim outfit. This is my first time wearing a denim outfit. I haven't had a denim skirt for a long time. Probably I used to have a denim skirt back in childhood as far as I remember. I used to have a denim jacket, but it wasn't as comfortable as this one. The sleeve here is stitched in very nicely. It's very comfortable to move in it. It's nice to be in it. I already anticipate that this will be one of my favorite clothes. And of course it's very nice to wear clothes handmade by our dear girls in the atelier. I appreciate how they do it. It's such a high quality, it's so nice to wear it. It's applied with interfacing, it's so comfortable even for everyday use. Nothing deteriorates during the wash, and then we wear such clothes for a very long time. Thank you girls for such a great work. And thank you for finding time for us. Thank you for recovering. I would like to thank all subscribers who followed my Instagram account from the Global Fashion Workshop channel for a great number of messages wishing me health. I was sick for a bit over a month. I think it was at least a month and a half. I received a great number of messages supporting me. This truly gave me energy to recover. Thank you for your messages, for warmth. I appreciate it, and it was important for me in such a difficult time. Now I'm feeling good and I'm happy to be with you and show these beautiful clothes. I suggest Inga turn around once more. Also, I'd like to know that we have a contrast stitching, like a brass color, which matches all decorations of any metal. Here we have both silver and bronze, so it's a combination of metal and threads, which allows for gold, silver and bronze jewelry. There's no particular reference. There's a very interesting finish in here. You can see it all on the table. Stay tuned, enjoy watching! Goodbye, Olga will continue. Moving on and looking at the items on the table, the jacket and the skirt are stitched based on classic denim technology with double stitching. Of course, it's made flawlessly here, but I suggest we don't get ahead of ourselves and proceed to reviewing the items, reviewing the garment. Review of the jacket. Take a look here. This is a classic biker jacket. We have princess lines on the front back. The princess lines are going not just downwards, but they're aiming to the center front. Because of this, the jacket makes you look slimmer when we wear such clothes. Here we have princess lines. The princess line ends on the belt, so we have a bit on the hemline of the garment. Princess lines. Here we have very nice pockets with zippers. Look, everything's working. You can fit your hand here on both sides. The zipper is also stitched around with a single stitching. The stitching is of a contrast brass color. Obviously, you can choose to your own taste. Also, there is the tulip color. Here everything is buttoned up. If we want to unbutton, we have an extension of the collar effect here. It's also very pretty. The sleeve is inset. Here we have a yoke on the front. On the back we have also a yoke. Let me turn to the back. On shoulders there are shoulder straps also with stitching, with such beautiful buttonholes, with metal buttons. On the back there are princess lines, which also end on the belt. Here are the straps. If we sew the straps, if it was a store-bought clothing, there would be several buttons here probably. But we decided that we can place the button farther away for Inga, and thus we can regulate the waistline width. This is for those who like voluminous clothes. It's also very comfortable. For those who don't like spacious clothes, as in Inga's version, and the jacket fits the waistline, the strap is more for decoration purposes. Both straps and shoulder straps are made beautifully. Look, they're stitched, turned over, have interfacing. Here we have orange stitching. Look, matching my nails, buttonholes and metal buttons as well. The sleeve is two-stitched, set in. The bottom of the sleeve ends with a zipper along the elbow seam. Here we can make a silhouette of the sleeve wider and narrower, because we closed or opened the zipper. During the fitting, you saw an open zipper. The open zipper is one silhouette. If we close it and roll the sleeves up to elbows, it will be a completely different silhouette. That's why you can choose your own silhouette, the one you like. Whether you roll up the sleeves or make them wider, everything is in your hands. And of course, the best thing in this jacket is the inside. Let me unbutton nicely. Just to remind you that fabric that we cut the piping from and piped the seams and where we applied interfacing to the yoke, it's not just cotton. It's a cotton with a bit of synthetic added. The reason for this is that if we boil out a denim garment so that the cotton doesn't shrink such more than denim fabric. That's why it's convenient to use fabric with added synthetics. One more thing, it's just that the surface here is quite silky and the garment doesn't cling onto the shoulder garments underneath. All this very comfortable and smooth in movement, beautiful to wear. Separate attention should be drawn to the pockets, the way they look from the inside. Look, despite the fact that the garment has no lining here, you can even see the pocket, but it's here. If we look closely, here's our pocket section. Everything here is stitched, turned over, finished in such a way that there is no need for serges, no rough or additional contrast stitching. This is how smooth it is, combined with the front, and you can't even see these additional stitches and details. If we stitch the whole jacket with contrast thread, the stitching from the inside, we made sure that the lower thread is matching denim and is sort of drowned in fabric. That is, you can't see any of it. And now I'll do this. Look. If I put my hand here, it's a pocket. This part is hidden under the button stand. This part matches the denim color, it's inside. Such a nice pocket in this jacket. I think we can move on to the skirt. For those who maybe don't have skills of such exclusive sewing and cannot do the piping, don't fret. You can stitch things and finish them with a serge. As a matter of fact, we had the skirt first in this outfit. I'll start from the inside and then we move to the front part. So when we sewed this skirt, we didn't think there would be an outfit. And here we have a simple finishing. All the seams are stitched and finished on the serge, no piping. But at least we could do it much faster. Another advantage is that if we take off the jacket somewhere and show it, we don't do that with the skirt. I think if we take off the skirt, nobody needs to see the piping. It doesn't matter anymore. That's why you can cut corners and do it like we did. The skirt is just stitched and finished on the serge. This is regarding the finishing. And now I'll turn the right side of the skirt and we'll show you a bit on the cutting. I hope I made you glad with the inside of the skirt. That is not that complicated. And now we're going to look at the right side of the skirt. This model is trapeze or A-line. Center front and grain line are kept along the center front and center back. Side seams are a bit flared. You can notice it if we place a ruler here. There is a bit flare from the hip line to the side. That is a very small widening. Big patch pockets are the decoration of this skirt. Take a look here. They're functional, full-fledged. Here you can place not only a hand, maybe someone else will place their hand here. It'll fit. The pocket is very functional. You can put there a phone, keys and some handkerchief, a note. All of this is possible, especially since this is a denim clothing. It was initiated from the workers' clothing. That's why everything is appropriate here. The pockets are not simple. We have a curvy top here. It's a circumference here, basically. And the corner is cut on the bottom. And it seems like a simple pocket, but it's complicated, because the top part goes into the belt, and the side part of the pocket goes to the side seam. So it turns out it's not that complicated to make such a pocket, but it looks dashing and it's very comfortable. Also, there is a fly shield in the center front. If you can't stitch denim garment, we have a really great course. And today we also showed you how this skirt looks not only on thin and fit ladies as me. I'm not sure how I got into these thin and fit ones, but also on such a body type as Inga's, the denim skirt looks equally fabulous. There's also a seam on the center back of the skirt. The grain line is kept here. Two classic patch denim pockets are a decoration. I hope today's video was useful and interesting for you, and you learned something new or at least got inspired to make something for yourself from denim. It's time to say goodbye. This is Global Fashion Workshop channel. All the best from Olga Paukšte, Inga Paukštite, and the rest of our team. Subscribe to our channel, click on like and post your comments. See you soon. Bye.